NgoMfumfu wango-2024, lo mndeni wawunomcimbi wamalobolo. Amanye amalungu omndeni kanye nomkhwenyana baphuma baya endaweni yokucima ukoma beyothenga utshwala, nalapho okwasuka khona ingxabano phakathi kwabo nomnikazi wendawo yokucima ukoma.
Bengikhona la ekhaya eJardini because it was the day younger brother wami bekalobola, so we were celebrating that. Then besihleli la ekhaya. It happened ukuthi baphumile baya eTavern bayothenga utshwala because bese baphela utshwala la, and I don't know what happened there because bengekho.
Emva kwale ngxabano umnikazi wendawo yokucima ukoma kuthiwa wahamba wabuya esephethe isibhamu. Wafike wangena kulomuzi wavulela ngenhlamvu.
Qale ngentombazana umngane wami Bhekeze Kimphindile. She was somewhere here. I don't know beka kuphi somewhere la, but adubule yena. Makadubule Phindile, that's when sesiyabona sonke ukuthi no, this is serious, msibalekela uphi endlini. Umama musamile esitubhini. Makaqeda ngophindile adubule mama beka la esitubhini. Mama uthi maqeda ukuwa. So I don't know ukuthi at first badubula how many shots. Makaqeda udubule mama, that's when angena endlini. Mangena endlini hawu ngiyabona ukuthi nomuntu uyeza. So like everyone was trying to ukusifihla like silala phansi and stuff. Mina ngigijimele kuphi ekamereni.
Amaphoyisa alivula icala lokubulala, kodwa umsolwa akaboshwanga, abuya esethi uzibulele. Umphakathi usola ukuthi ushaywa ngemfe iphindiwe.
Sifuna iproof yokuthi na ungcwatshiwe, sifuna ukwazi ukuthi ungcwatshwe lephi, sifuna ukubona i-certificate yakhe ngoba amahememe ayachamuka la ngaphandle kunendaba ezithi ukhona, kunendaba ezithi washona.
Whatever esitholile akusinto ebambekayo, into ukuthi like sayindlulisa ukuthi okay lo muntu ushonile believers then iphelela lapho because of the also rumors ukuthi lo muntu uyaphila.
Umphakathi ucela ubulungiswa.